You cannot get these kind of designs anywhere in any of the brands, guys, trust me. What's up my stylish people, this is Seshank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and style tips from men. In today's video, this is going to be a clash of sneakers, and here I'm going to show two of the best trendy dad sneakers or chunky sneakers you can buy in H&M and Zara. So it's a Zara versus H&M kind of a video. This is going to be a quick video where I'm going to show you guys two of the pieces which I picked very recently, and both are of a similar kind of a color palette and both are of similar category when it comes to the dad sneakers. I know guys, Zara and H&M, those are not the best brands when it comes to the footwear, because those brands major target would be the clothing. But however, I like the color palette they have gone for, and they do have the optimum quality when it comes to the footwear. By end of this video, I will let you know guys that which one of the sneakers I would like to keep with me and the other one I'm going to return that. Coming to the sneaker number one. So let's start with the Zara sneakers. So this is a multicolor sneaker from Zara which have the beige white and also a green color tab on the back side upper portion of the heel, and when it comes to the sole, they have the gum soles to it. Overall, comfort wise, these provide the optimum comfort, and coming to the quality also, Zara have the best quality sneakers when it compares to H&M, but overall the price point is also higher. It is priced at 5,000 rupees. I got it for a price of 3,000 rupees. If you want to wear the sneakers once in a while, if you don't want anything which is super versatile when it comes to dad sneakers, if you want something which is trendy, or else if you find yourself in younger side of the spectrum, these will be the best sneakers to go. You cannot get these kind of designs anywhere in any of the brands, guys, trust me. So this is the only brand you can get it, and here you can see they have an attachment on top of that heel from which the laces will run across. So this is altogether a different kind of a shoe. If you like this kind of pattern for the shoes, I think it's better to go for this, or else let's move to the second sneakers. The sneaker number two for this video is the H&M sneaker in a off-white color. Sole is also off-white color, and this is not a gum sole, this is the normal sole. And for the sneaker, you have the suede overlays and the beige color running across. So the color palette stays the same for this particular shoe, and that's what to my liking. This may be super versatile but still keeping you in the trend. Overall, comfort wise, this is having that optimum comfort, nothing too great or nothing too bad. But when it compares to Zara one, it is not of ideal quality. Zara shoes, they have the technical insole to it that makes them supremely comfortable, but when it comes to this, but don't judge based on that. It is having that optimum comfort which may be more than enough for most of you guys. Coming to the price point, these prices are 3,000 rupees, and I got it for a price of 1,200 to 1,300 in Myntra. But if you go to the H&M website, you can find this only at 3,000 rupees price point. So my personal recommendation for you guys is to just check the Myntra website and make sure that you wishlist the product right now. It may be out of stock, but they may restock it. Overall, when compared to the both of the sneakers, I like this sneaker better than the Zara sneakers. If you find yourself on the younger side of the spectrum and want to wear super trendy sneakers, those are one in a kind of a sneakers, Zara, because those are the ones where designer brands would go. Or else this could be the classic and stylish dad sneakers you can get right now without breaking your bank, without spending too much money on the dad sneakers. I think you will be good to go. And H&M shoes, I have like 2 or 3 shoes, even though they jeans which offer at price point 1,500, they may not be of super good quality, but shoes, they are well durable and they tend to hold up really well. So I'm going to keep this shoe with me, and I'm going to return these Zara sneakers. This video is a quick video of clash of the sneakers, and one from Zara and one from H&M. I hope you guys liked it. If you did so, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.